냐? 빈무엇이냐?
Hi, if you're here to learn how to spin a pen like they do in anime, fear not, my friend. This is the right place. I'm gonna break this trick into steps and help you to learn it as fast as possible. This trick right here is called a reverse thumb around. I already made a tutorial on the normal thumb around, so if you want, go check that out. This is probably the last trick I'm gonna teach you, and it's also the hardest, at least for me, cause even if I can spin the pen around my thumb pretty well, I can't quite catch it most of the times. So just keep in mind, you're not alone, my friend. Okay, now let me show you how it's done. The theory is very easy, you just gotta practice this one a lot. You're gonna hold your pen with your thumb and your middle finger. Keep your thumb upwards, not angled down, and grab the pen near its tip, just like this. Let the outer part of the pen rest on your index finger. Now that you got the setup, let's see how to spin and catch. This motion right here is exactly how you have to spin the pen. Think about scratching the pen with your nail. The motion is like scratching, but you gotta push too. This combined will make the pen spin around your thumb. Remember to use your nail, not the skin. Practice and it will come by itself. One last thing about the spinning. Remember the importance of keeping your thumb up. If you angle it downwards, the pen might spin more easily, but I guarantee that you'll never ever catch it. How good you can catch it is directly proportional to how well you can spin it. If you do everything right, you can just catch it like this. I'm not very good either, so figure out by yourself, see what feels best. For me, I just catch it full hand like this. Hope you learn this soon, and good luck. See you in the next video. I got a big project coming up.